Hello and good morning, everyone. Today is the 21st of January 2021, Thursday morning here in Hamburg. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English trading coach. And today we're going to be doing our German market opening on the DAX. So first things first, we're going to go straight into it and open up our DAX chart. Come over to our template and open up into our open range breakout DAX. So here we have our DAX. First thing that we'll notice on the template is these horizontal purple lines. These are called big numbers. So simply because they are big numbers in the market price, you can see that they go up in increments of 100 points each time. So we consider these to be kind of pivot points in the market price. You can consider them like support and resistance lines usually. However, the main part of this template we're going to get into just now. So let me stretch out this chart. So is this orange box here. So this is our open range breakout. As we can see, we're still within this range. What we do here is we trade these German market openings. So at 9 o'clock German time in the next 5 minutes, we have the Frankfurt Stock Exchange opening, where we see the collision of the futures market and the cash market colliding. And due to this, we're going to see, or we're going to expect some kind of volatility or breakout of this range. So next thing we're going to input our trading tool into the chart is our Swiss box. So here in the corner, we can see the Swiss box configurator. So this is what we use to trade with. If I just turn the box lines on quick, we'll see that there's two lines that appear in the chart, a green one and a red one. These represent two pending orders, the green one being a buy stop and the red one being a sell stop. Now, in between these lines, we see 15. Means that it's 15 points between the two lines. Essentially, what we're trying to do is we're trying to trap the market within a 15-point range before any expected breakout. So hence why we're trading the market opening, because we're definitely going to see some kind of breakout at that opening in 4 minutes time. So next thing that we're going to get to is we're going to see over here we've got different settings. So set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. These are different presets for risk management and target profit settings, 1 being the smallest and 4 being the highest. Now the reason we have it set out like this is because with our Swissbox trading tool, if I just overlap this on our open range and I'm going to click on, and we can see that that box is activated. Now we can see that the market price is currently within that range, but as soon as the market price breaks out of this range, either going past the green line or the red line, it's going to trigger one of those pending orders. So if it's going to go through the top of the box, as we're probably going to see soon, we're going to trigger that first pending order into a buy, and then our take profit is going to be automatically input into the chart to gain our preset target profit, like so. So there it is. We've just gone past the green line, and this blue line here is now our take profit. Now the take profit is set quite small today, so 0.01%, but this is just for demonstration. So we can see when our risk management and our target profit settings are set equally, our take profit will always be set 15 or the same distance away from our box as the box size itself. Yeah. Now, going off another example, let's say that the market now takes a downturn and we get a reversal and we go through the bottom of our chart, triggering, going past our red line, triggering our second trade. So second pending order into a sell. Now that sell will actually be multiplied two times bigger than the previous trade. This is in order to cancel out the minus of the previous trade and make up for the loss of points within the box itself. So the Swiss box will actually calculate all of this into effect to make sure that we close in our take profit 15 points at the bottom. Yeah. So we can say a maximum movement or market price movement that we need is 45 points. Yeah, 45 points up and down, and we can be in and out of any one trade. Really, it's a maximum of 30 points from wherever we are to be in and out of any one trade. So we have about a minute now until the market opening. The great thing about this Swiss box is that we trade a few markets. So the German market opening, we also trade the US market opening, because these are the most predictable times to see any kind of volatility or market price movement across the indices. So for me, I trade four markets. That's the gold, Dow Jones, DAX, and the Nasdaq, just because they're the most predictable markets for the volatility at these times of day. So here we go. We've just had the opening, and as you can see, we get that breakout from our open range, and you'll see as it goes past our blue line, it should trigger our take profit straight away. And there's our take profit hit, and that's our German market opening trade finished for the day. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, like the video below. If you're interested in learning more about the tools, please come along to our live video in the afternoon from 2:30 until 3:30. And if you want to learn how to trade the tools yourself, please visit the website www.tradersclub24.com and sign up for our 30-day free trial. Okay, thank you very much.